This is G.A.C. Meatbite, a family company settled in the Netherlands where we are focusing on the food and delivery field. What type of food, you might be asking? Well, let us tell you about it. Dishes such as sarmale, papanashi, sjorbadavitsika are traditional Romanian dishes where quality and quantity are both important, as Romanian people do not joke around when it comes to delicious food. Us, Romanians, love meat, sweets and all kinds of soups or sjorbi. G.A.C. Meatbite has been opened with the purpose of sharing the traditional Romanian taste with everyone that's willing to give it a try. And trust us, one bite is enough to make your taste buds crave for some more. As mentioned before, Meatbite is a family company formed by a mother, Carmina, and her two children, George and Andrea. All three of us have been working in the food industry, whether is cooking or serving, we can do it all. Romanian dishes is our main focus, but we also prepare dishes such as Greek, Italian, Dutch, Polish. A little bit of everything so that everyone who meets Meatbite can enjoy our delicious, home vibes dishes. Meatbite started in our own home where we cooked and prepared delicious meals for our neighbors and co-workers. All of them absolutely loved the meals and hoped we will bring them some more again. And we did. After a short time, we opened a Facebook page where people could find us, and so many were interested to try our dishes. Therefore, we created a small community where all our customers would order our dishes every week, as we would only cook in the weekends and on holidays. Yet it wasn't enough, as a lot of new customers would like to visit Meatbite's home place and see with their own eyes what we can offer to them. Our dream is to open a brasserie in the Amsterdam's vicinity where everyone interested can come in and have a good cooked meal in our Romanian space, or take it away with them. We would love to thank everyone for watching this video, and if you would like more insight, please follow us on our social medias. With kind regards, Team G.A.C.